What's the best way to get engagement during your presentation, whether you're delivering it live in person or virtual? This is a great question to talk about with your team, and as always, share your answers in the comments below. Here's what I think. I do a lot of presentations, and the best way to get engagement, feedback from the audience, is to start that way. Set those expectations before the meeting ever occurs. So if you're having a live meeting, putting it in the invites, in the agenda, that this is going to be a discussion. Here's some of the questions I'm going to ask you. Be prepared with your comments or your thoughts on it. If you're doing a virtual presentation, making sure people are unmuted, they're prepared to talk, and before you even start the meeting, setting that it is not going to be a lecture. You can send a pre-recorded video these days if you're not going to get engagement. So the only reason to have a meeting in the first place is to have a conversation. And I think that's a great way to start, but I'd love to hear what your techniques are. Questions, obviously a great way to do that. Polls, engagement, asking people to type in the comments or chats, or having breakout discussions, whether that's live or virtual. All great quick tips as well. What are yours? Share those and we'll talk next week.